especially with Arum. Fitria or usually Hello and Arum as one of the MTS English subject teachers. Nyai Haja Asfia has really with class 9 until now in completing English project assessment in making videos of practical exam materials for class 9 children. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Alvia Camelia, who is usually called Devi, or usually my friends call me Mel. I am from class 9C. The 8th absent number out of 30 of my classmates, who is one of the famous students from Sanawiya Madrasah which in the West Surabaya area, namely at MTS Nyai Haja Asfia. Present in this video is to tell you about my expression which were quite impressive for me, because this is a video project for English practice exam material. So third hope this video I will use English. So watch until the end, okay? Okay. My experience with memorable is marked by the time I went to school in my father's hometown, namely in Lamongan. At the time I was in the 5th grade of elementary school. For 2 years, which was with short turning to this part for the so my friends were in Surabaya, where my previous school. It will be said if I have to tell the story and have to listen to the word parting again. However, there was nothing wrong when I was done. I felt joy and sadness when I discovered the new space and environment, especially the new school and friends I had. The acceptance of present as one of them. It was natural for me to be treated like that, because I was still very new to them. Slowly, I started to get used to them, and so did things. I started to understand how the characters one by one. Some accepted Liu and some accepted Maya. I liked everything they did. I think they are our friends, and I think it's the chance for me to cross the this time. I meet friends like them. I meet them. There was a special feeling I felt from them. I talked the ups and downs with them until the end. In the middle of the second semester of 5th grade, all of our classmates with a fierce which was none other than at the beginning 2000, which required all of us to force the desire to spark temporarily for a period of time that might not be long before we meet again. But what did we think? All of these people were not justified by the circumstance. It actually made the holiday for all of us longer. Finally, after perhaps quite a long time without using each other, in July we were finally reunited in a situation that was starting to return to normal. We meet in 6th grade, a class that determines at the beginning and end of or in a meeting in a situation in the next semester that will become a memory for all our classmates to remember later. Slowly, of one semester has passed. With ups and downs with my classmates. The memories they made for me at that time are still vivid in my mind, as if they gave me a surprise that I will always remember every moment. It did feel like time was running fast, and finally we reunited with the real party members. That's the end of the story I told. Our class is one of the classes that will graduate from elementary school when COVID-19 is still going on for quite a long time. It didn't feel like the time I have spent with them only felt like a few months or semester during that time. And graduation was the last moment I met them. I thought it felt like just yesterday I met friends like them. It felt like the time I walked along a sheet of considering them after graduating from sixth grade. I walked immediately to where I lived before, namely in Surabaya, the city of my dear. I wanted, after 2 years in Lamongan, I wanted to continue going to school again in the same city before, to continue my junior high school years in the place I wanted. The reason why I chose to share and tell a little about this expression, because in my opinion, this expression is one of the expressions that is memorable and not to tell about in my life, which is impossible to repeat. An expression that I never wanted and realized what happened in my life. Adapting to a new environment did sound easy for me, and it was through this expression that I found people who have the opportunity to change the story in my own life. Of course, especially a friend who will accompany my days for a fairly short period of 2 years. And at this very moment, it happens again with circumstances that are probably with the same. The word goodbye will sound the heart clearly for the 9th grade students this year who my bet it can only be remembered and felt through a memorable memory for the future for all of us. Because my past expression might not be enough to representing myself. If there are mistakes in words or more or less in the pronunciation of reading the text, I apologize profusely and ask for corrections. And thank you also for the guidance from Ma'am Arum as the English subject teacher who has taught and did grade 9 so far. Without him, I would not have been able to complete practical assessment well enough. Finally, I conclude. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. TS-nya Haja Asfia, Grade Dignified Madrasah. Oh yes, because I'm still new here. Don't forget the first like, comment, share, and subscribe buttons. So I'll be enthusiastic about making other interesting videos and you won't miss notification from me. Bye. Thank you all.